Exe, this is Lily Shawanala from CMTV. This is calling your partner to confirm if your partner is loyal. I'm in the streets. I want to check if people are loyal. I want to test relationships. So there's someone that I'm seeing. Let me wait a bit. Stay tuned. Tango.
Oh, cause ungisizile like ungenze ngafind out iqiniso, so it's fine.
Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Wena ungihlanyisa wena, don't make me mad. Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Awudokungamnendaba nakho. Angithi sinasesenzile loyalty test sibonile ukuthi yena akekho faithful. Into ezokwenza yona.
And saying light skinned since nini mina?
Asikaqedi washelwa yimina wena.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me is that when you are stuck with my girlfriend.
Why are you cheating?
Hi. 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 How are you? Ngiyaphila.
Yeah.
My name is Lily Shawanala from CMTV. I'm doing a show where we give people 1,000 rands if their partners are loyal. So if you don't mind, 1,000 rand. If you don't mind, can we ask you a few questions and we give you 1,000 rand if umuntu wakho loyal? Uyamthemba umuntu wakho?
Ngijahile ngizothatha isikhathi.
1 minute is fine. It's enough.
Oh.
Yeah. Ngicela ukubheka camera if you don't mind. Igama lakho ubani?
Untando.
Ndando. So Ndando uthandana nobani?
Ngithandana Sibonelo.
Uthandana for isikhathi esingakanani?
4 to 5 years.
When last did you see him?
Day before yesterday.
Do you guys have a baby together?
Yes.
Okay. Kasi mfonela ke, yabo? Moshe isikhathi. Ngicela ufake ama number wakhe. Okay. Namfonela right away since ujahile.
Yeah.
Sibonela. Uyamthemba?
Ngiyamthemba uDala.
Okay. Hello. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good, thanks. You're speaking to Lee from CMTV. I'm doing a show where we test relationships. So your partner is here. We want to ask you a few questions to test if you are loyal. If you're loyal, your partner is going to get 1,000 rand right now.
Lee from CMTV.
Yes, 100%.
How did you get my number?
Your partner gave me your number so that I can call you.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Is your partner light skin or dark skin?
She's light skinned.
Okay. And how long have you guys been together?
We're still new. 6 months.
Okay. And when last did you see her?
I was with her yesterday.
Okay. Do you have a baby with her? Like
No.
outside? No, like not. I agree 6 months. So like outside, do you have like a baby or does she have a baby outside?
No, she doesn't have a baby. I also don't have a baby as well.
Okay. What is your partner's name?
It's Michali.
Okay.
Hayi bo Sibonelo.
Sibonelo uthena
Bani Mihlali?
akakwazi.
Anginangane mina, sinangane mina nawe. Ungazothi yo. Awuzonothi ukhuluma nobani? Hayibo. Awazinanengane.
Wena
Ujwayela kabi wena.
we baby mama yakhe.
Yes, sinengane.
Maybe-
Ina 3 ingane.
Maybe yena he moved.
Hayi, moved on kanjani ingane angasayazi manje? Awusayazi.
I want him to explain.
Uchazani umchaphela la.
Stano-san, I'm sorry. Yazini.
Yazini.
Your client efonayo.
Iclient yiphi?
Lalela Stano-san.
We
Sina 6 months mina nawe sithandana.
Stano-san, we deal.
Ungazothi sithando sami sokunuka la ungidakela. Sithando sakho ini? Awunangane wena. Awunangane.
It's not what it's.
Awunangane wena. Ungazothi baby, ngazi baby ini la. Yini kira yakho?
Now, you know it very well.
Okushuthi into ohamba uyitshela abantu le ukuthi unangane ona baby mama.
outside ubhizi ubhebhebhe yena kanangani.
Ayikho kanjalo, Stano-san.
Kanjani? Ngazongichazela udoti mina. Shuthi mina ngisikiki sakho mina.
Wait, so So wena
awume na uthini wena?
ngikhuluma nawe. Ngithi mina. What if yena unomuntu wakhe then wena uyibaby mama? Unomuntu
Asathandana.
Baby, cela ungamlaleli umuntu onaye lapho. Lalela mina sithando sami.
or isithembu yini?
Isithembu sami bhuti wami.
Yini inkinga yakho? Ayikunelisi.
Baby, uyangenelisa like you know it very well.
Hayi vele ayiqhubeka nayo vele selingicikile lakho yabo.
No, baby. Lalela.
Qhube ayikho into soyilungisa.
Asilungisi.
Lungisa lento yakhe nesiyezi. Lungisa lento yakhe nesiyezi. Yekele mina ngihlukane namphansi. Lungisa lento yakhe nesiyezi. Aniyazi ukuthi nenkinga. Lungisa yona mhlawumbe yibo nje abakuchophile.
Maybe that's why I cheat ne?
Ushita kanjani ngento nesiyezi?
Yini sizo?
Hayi. Ushita kanjani ngento nesiyezi? Aliqini.
So
Wazini wena enenkinga? Wazini enenkinga? Ngiyakubekezelela mina.
aphendule.
Ungavezi indaba zami nawe abantweni.
Uyanyanyisa. Ulungisa into yakhe nesiyezi uhlukane nami.
Sithando sami ukwangihlaza ebantwini. Wayenza into
So wahlasa boyfriend yakho manje.
Hlazo nginyanyisa.
What if-
Ana ngane uphingane?
What if wacheated because unomunye umuntu
Uphikelani ingane aqendaba. Ngiyamrespecta lo ngiyaqala ukumphendula kanje.
uthi amhlaza.
Imhlaza kuphi ungazongidakela lo uphingane uhlaza mina uphingane.
Awumshaye lo mjiti.
Hayi.
Uyazini bhuti wami usamlalela. Lo muntu lo akananhlonipho. Nami sengikhipha amafayela akhe manje. First of all akanhloniphi. Right.
Ungaziwonya wena nje. Akuhloniphi kuphi?
Yo.
Umnikeza i1 round. Uba no thola i1 round.
Wena i-second round uzonela ngalento yakho nesiyezi. Isuke isithambile mayingena nje phakathi nje hayi.
Well ngoba kancane. So
Hayi. Unamanga. Bese uthola kanjani ingane? Uhambe indawo zakho wabuya sengasavuka uzothi ayibona ukuthi izinto zakho.
wehamba indawo zakhe wenzani?
Futhi xoxela lavuka makumele lingene vele ithi.
And then uhamba indawo zakhe wenzani? Shem boyfriend yabantu shem.
Now busy nabo shame.
Okay, sorry. Ngithule yeah.
Angisafuni next. Hello in bye.
Kim drop. My sister, I think ngiyekele because since we're not too jahila ngithi. Yeah, sorry mara 1000 ngeke uyithola ngithi umjita wakho uyacheat. Ora ubika ukuthi akacheat.
Hayi sengiyibonela.
Yeah, bye. My guys, I feel like in a relationship, umfazi mele ahloniphe, like even if a guy is cheating, mara, there must be balance. Mara, who am I to judge? Because I feel like, or maybe this girl like overpowered the guy, because I feel like the girl will pull the man. The guy is too soft. So majitana immediately balance in a relationship. He mustn't be too weak. Anyway, see you guys on the next one. Don't go.
Oh, cause ungisizile like ungenze ngafind out iqiniso so it's fine.
Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Wena ungangihlanyisa wena, don't make me mad. Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Awulokhu ngamnendaba nakho. Angithi sinasesenzile loyalty test sibonile ukuthi yena akakho faithful. Into enzokwenza yona.
And sengi light skinned since nini mina? Asikaqedi washelwa yimina wena.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me is that when I am stuck with my girlfriend.
Why are you cheating?